In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your VProp Trader mobile app account. First, confirm that your account is fully verified, since most platforms require verification before allowing withdrawals. Next, check whether you're within the platform's minimum and maximum withdrawal limits, and be aware that certain methods may come with small fees. Finally, make sure the bank account or e-wallet you plan to use is properly linked and registered in your own name, as third-party withdrawals are not permitted. These checks can help you avoid unnecessary delays, and you can always confirm the latest policies in the app's help section or FAQs. Once you're ready, open the VProp Trader app on your mobile device and log in with your registered email and password. From the dashboard, navigate to the section related to your funds or wallet. Look for the option labeled Withdraw, Withdraw Funds, or Transfer Out. When you enter this section, you'll see a list of available withdrawal methods. Typically, these include bank transfer, which sends money directly to your personal bank account, and e-wallets such as Skrill or Neteller. Depending on your location, you may also find additional local payment options. Choose the method that works best for you and have your details ready. After selecting your method, fill in the withdrawal form carefully. Enter the exact amount you'd like to withdraw and provide accurate account details. For bank transfers, you'll need your bank name, account number, account holder name, matching your VProp Trader account, and possibly a SWIFT divided by BIC code. For e-wallets, you'll usually just need your account ID or email. Double check all this information because even a small mistake can delay your withdrawal. Once entered, the app will show you a summary of your request. Review everything one more time, then tap Confirm or Submit. For security, you might be asked to provide a PIN, password, or one-time password sent to your phone or email. After submission, your withdrawal request will move into the processing stage. You can track its progress under Transaction History or Withdrawal History within the app, and you'll also receive updates via email. Keep in mind that while e-wallet transfers are often quick, bank transfers can sometimes take a few business days to reflect in your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.